Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can track your text here movement, on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text here, and I'm just going to type in ballet for instance, and I'm also going to change the font here. I want like something like this. It's fine. And then I'm just going to place it here, for instance. I'm also going to add in a shadow so you can kind of see the text a little bit better. Don't quite like this font. This one's a little bit better. Just adjusting the opacity of the shadow. Okay. Then you're going to go to tracking here, and then you're going to select motion track, and you're going to kind of like direct where you want it to be, maybe like to her body. I'm going to delete scale, and I'm just going to enable distance, direction, just both, I guess. And you're going to start tracking. It does take a long time if your video is a little bit longer, so just be patient. And it's going to basically track their motion, and it's going to like follow her body here, for instance. But yeah, that is pretty much it. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to track it all the way through the whole video, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.